Hey guys, so the plan today is to take this unit, bore it out, the big top hole and the small bottom hole, and let's see if I can't finish that off today. And if I have time, hopefully to make the sleeve that goes between this piece and the mounted plate of the motor. And we'll see how that goes. And of course, it's to have the motors mounted on the frame, but you know, I'm not promising right now. Anyways, let's get doing something. Okay, so the second piece is done, except for trimming and finishing and that all. So I'm going to work on the spacer piece that goes in here. I decided not to use a long bolt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 3-inch by probably about a 5/8 unit here and tap it for 1/4 inch or 5/16. I still haven't really decided. Maybe I'll have to do 1/4 inch. So maybe I'll turn it down to about 1/2 inch in diameter. But in any case, and tap each end, you know, 1 inch in or however far my tap will go. And thread it, and then this will be done. Well, it's getting late. It's nearly 10 o'clock, and I've had enough. But, ta-da! These are nearly done. All I have to do is weld those on at each end. You can see what I mean about that taper on the back end of that thing. Messing things up a bit. I was thinking about taking this backing plate off, but I really am kind of reluctant to, you know, to machine it so that it's got a little bit more of a straight cut. But I'm always reluctant to do that. You never know what's inside there, what shims you're going to spring free, how the brushes are mounted. You know, if they're mounted to the backing plate, then it'll be a nightmare to get back together. I think I will just live with it, at least for the moment. See how the mounting goes. This is quite solid. Let's see what I mean by that's what it's going to look like. There'll be a bracket on this end nearest to the tire, and a bracket at this end mounted on the cross member that this will all screw to and be tightly clamped to. That's basically, you know, like the same thing there. Before I weld anything, well, you can't probably see the scriber marks anymore, but I'm going to trim this, trim that, and round off that bottom piece. And at some point I'll probably round off the top part, but I might just knock the corners off of it and go from there. Anyways, it's too late to be buggering around too much, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.